Hey, what's going on, everyone? So this is Joseph with Power Capital Solutions, and listen, today the purpose of this video is to address bad credit and trying to obtain a hard money loan. So a lot of times whenever you try to apply for funding, a lender is going to have certain parameters and requirements. Well, one of those requirements is going to be what's your FICO score. Now currently in the marketplace, as it pertains to getting a hard money loan, most lenders are going to require you to be a minimum FICO of around 620. Some will go as low as 600, but in order to get a fix and flip loan, lenders are going to have to take a look at not only the deal itself but also the borrower. So in the event that your FICO is below that minimum FICO score threshold, what can you do in order to still get your deal done? Well, I'm going to give you two options. Option number one is you can either go the credit repair route. Now obviously if you're working on a deal, maybe you currently have a property locked on a contract, going through credit repair, it can take some time. It can take some months, 6 months to a year maybe. So you may not be able to get that deal done if you're the only person in your business entity working on that deal. That does suck, but at least you'll be able to work on getting your credit built up to the point where you no longer have to face that credit issue. Now, the second thing that you can do is simply bring in a credit partner. So all this simply means is if a lender has a minimum FICO score of, let's say, a 620, and let's say maybe you're around 600 currently, well, if you have someone else in your business entity, your LLC that you created, who's, let's say, a 650, well, they more than satisfy that credit requirement. So let's just pretend maybe you have a friend who may not be a part of your LLC. Well, what you can do is simply add that person to your business, give them part ownership of your LLC, add them to your operating agreement. That way the lender can underwrite them and use their credit score. That way you meet that minimum requirement. So hopefully if you are an investor and you have maybe less than stellar credit, this video helps you, or at least gives you a few ideas as far as what you can do in order to get the deal done. Also, by the way, I did make another video addressing some of the key components of credit. So if you are working to build up your credit, please make sure you check that video out as well. And if you're an investor and you're looking for either hard money to do a fix and flip, or you're trying to achieve a rental purchase, or maybe you need gap funding, please make sure email your deal scenario to me, Joseph, at powercapitalsolution.com. And if you may not be working on a real estate deal, you just enjoy watching this content, please like, comment, share. Thanks for watching.